So today we're going to talk about the surface area and volume of cylinders. This is a whole lot easier. And I would use not the surface area formula here. It would still work, but this is why it works. We're going to use this one. This one is so widely used. So your perimeter is like the outer edge. If you would unravel this, you would see that center is a rectangle. And that's why they call that the perimeter. That perimeter. Okay. So that's 2 pi r. H again, big H is from base to base, plus the area, pi r squared, of the two bases. Volume is very similar. The base is a circle times the height. So the volume again, I understand the big B and the H here, because your base is the circle, area of the circle, times the height. And I always think of a push pop. If you guys have ever had one of those, like those Flintstone sherbety things that you push through, that shows awesome volume. Okay. So let's find the surface area of these. So do you see how we've got both of these formulas. So they've broken these down for us, which makes it super, super easy. What am I missing here? Anything? Surface area. Again, so easy. So 2 times pi times our r, which here is 8. Our height is from top to bottom, right? From base to base, and it always has a H for height or B for base to base. So that's 5. Plus 2 times pi, my radius squared. That's it. Now, I don't know in Alex, are they going to want you to keep those? But we're going to punch these in separately. So 2 times 3.14 times 8 times 5 is 251.2. And then 2 times 3.14 times 8 squared. 40192. Add those two together. $653.12. Again, it is surface areas, so it's going to be centimeters squared. A lot easier. You're just plugging in. So this one, V equals 3.14. Our radius is 8 squared times our height of 5. V equals 1004.8 centimeters cubed. How many cubed units? Love this one. On this side here. Oh, I love it. Sometimes you don't have a picture. So if you want to draw it, you can, or just use the information. We don't need the diameter. We need the radius. What is that, 4.5? Height. Right? So let's try it. Surface area. 2 times 3.14. My radius is 4.5. My height is 15. Plus 2 times 3.14 times my radius of 4.5 squared. For some reason, I think in the past, I tried this, and if I ran it all together, it didn't work. But I wonder if that was way back in the day when the calculators weren't as good, or something. Silly Mrs. Spiro. So you can try running it all together and see if you get the same answer. my surface area is 551.07. To check. And what do we say these are? Does it say units? Units squared. Let's do this one. My height is 15. I'm going to pause you for just a minute. Did that stop in the middle, or are we continuing? Okay, sorry, I had somebody at the door. So 3.14 times 4.5 squared times 15. Why do I not feel like I did that right? 3.14 times 4.5 squared times 15. Gosh, that's a lot. 953 point, what are we rounding to? I don't know, I keep changing it, don't I? Let's make it easy. Tenths on this one. Let's just totally keep it not the same. There we go. Next, sometimes they don't want us to use 3.14. Usually if they tell us to use 3.14, we use 3.14, and if they don't say, we use the pi key. So this time we're going to use the pi key. Now we know from that other page that if it's the leaning whatever, it's you can still do this. Okay, let's go. So surface area. 2 times, we're going to use the pi key this time. My radius is 15. My height is 25 because it has to be a perpendicular height. So 25 plus, I don't know why I did that so close, 2 times the actual pi key, r, which is 15 squared. So SA, punch this into your calculator. So clear, 2 times, where's my pi key? I lost you. Where is my pi key? There he is. Times 15 times 25. So that part is 2356.2. And then 2 times pi times 15 squared. This part is 1413.7. And then I'm going to add this other one, 2356.2. 3769.9. Is that what you got? Feet squared. Again, cylinders are amazingly easy. Okay, B equals pi, radius, squared, height 25. Can't get any easier than this, right? Okay, pi times 15 squared times 25. 17671.5 feet cubed. All right, 11 those cylinders. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, what's tomorrow? Surface area and volume of pyramids. That gets a little more dicey.